Which emotion drives the most clicks with YouTube thumbnails? You've seen it a million times, YouTube face, or crazy faces on thumbnails trying to get people to pay attention and click. Well, what if instead of guessing which face your audience is going to click on, you could literally see the numbers themselves of whether sad faces, happy faces, surprise faces are getting more clicks on your channel? There's now a tool that literally analyzes your thumbnails and tells you which emotions get more clicks. It's insane. Check it out. If you don't already have TubeBuddy installed, then you should go ahead and install it right now. It is a free tool, tubebuddy.com/awallversus. Link in the description below to my affiliate link. I get credit if you download and use the program. And once you install, it's that little button I was pointing to a moment ago up here in your Chrome extension, in your Chrome browser. You click this drop-down menu if you want to see which emotions are getting more clicks on your channel. It's insane. Click the click magnet button here. This is a tool that's in preview for you to check out. Launch Click Magnet now. It's going to pull up this tool and it's going to ask you for beta to go ahead and give access to your channel and to your information. And it's going to start analyzing your uploads, pulling information about your thumbnails and your click-through rates and what have you. And you'll be able to actually see the numbers on these items. Go to the element inspector right here. And once you click the element inspector, over here on the side, you want to click the emotions tab. This is where it will analyze all of the emotions of all of your thumbnails, of the faces you put in your thumbnails, and it will literally tell you which emotions got you the highest click-through rate. So as you can see on my channel, happy got a higher click-through rate than surprised face, aka YouTube face, and it got a higher click-through rate than calm face. Now, I didn't make any sad face thumbnail, so I don't have any data for that. Interesting, right? A lot of people think that, wow, and face is going to have the most reaction or the most clicks, and it doesn't. And also mixed face, which is kind of, somewhere in between one of these emotions, had a relatively low click-through rate. So based on this data that I have here and the data that you could pull for your channel, you can see which emotions are literally getting more clicks in your thumbnails, and you can try A/B testing those emotions or on your future videos, including more of that emotion in your thumbnail because it's triggering the algorithm and it's making audiences pay more attention to your content versus your competitors. This is just giving you an overall sense of what is working on your channel, and this is going to push you in the right direction. Now, because happy performed better on my channel, which I only had one video that it detected, should I make all of my thumbnails happy? No. I should be A/B testing using the A/B testing tool, and I should be trying out happy on future uploads, and then contrasting that perhaps with my second and my third highest performing emotion in my thumbnails, surprised and calm, and testing the results and making decisions by the data. Don't just guess what's going to get clicks. Use this tool, Click Magnet Element Inspector, to inform through facts and data what's going to get the clicks. Cool? Good luck. Affiliate link in the description below. Enjoy using the tool.